Alright, my lovely students, this is your Igbo class. But today we are going to be looking at your Igbo L2. Igbo L2. For those of you that are in JS class, from JS1 to JS3, preparing for your NECO exam. Alright. We look at the Agwaza as we have been doing before. I'll read in Igbo and explain. Then we'll start the questions there. You look at Agwaza. I remember this is a more of revision for you people. Okay, look at it. Agwaza, which is comprehension, means comprehension. Yes. Okay. Onye nkuzi na-akụzi asụsụ Igbo. As you are saying it there. Onye nkuzi na-akụzi asụsụ means language. Igbo bụ Maazị. Maazị means Mr. Maazị Amadi. That's just like I'm teaching you. Me, I'm Maazị Obinwa. Or Maazị Chukwugozie. That is me. But here they wrote Maazị Amadi. That is Mr. Maazị means Mr. in English. Maazị Amadi. Emeka bụ onye isi ụmụ akwụkwọ na-elekọta ụmụ akwụkwọ niile anya. Okay? Uche bụ onye na-akụ mgbịrịgba mgbe ọbụla oge ịgbanwe nkuzi ruru. Ọ bụ Amina na-aza klas 1B ụtụtụ ọbụla, ebe Iyabọ na-ehicha ọfịịsi onye isi ụlọ akwụkwọ bụ Maazị Okoye. Na ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị, in our school, anyị nwere nzu odee, mkpịsị odee, ugbe ojii, ndọ akara na akwụkwọ ọgụgụ Igbo. Nzu odee means chalk. But these days people are using marker mostly. Then mkpịsị odee. Mkpịsị odee means pencil. Ugbo ojii means blackboard. But this now people are using whiteboard, which is for marker. Then ndọ akara ruler. Na akwụkwọ ọgụgụ, which is reading textbooks, which is reading material, which is textbooks. That's what they have in that school. Okay, so they are trying to analyze that the person that teaches them Igbo language is Maazị Mr. Amadi, while Emeka is the person that rings the bell, that changes the time rings the bell for changing of teacher, as you do in some of your schools. When a teacher's period finish, somebody will ring the bell for another teacher to come in. So many of them. And they say it is Amina that sweeps the class. That is 1B class. 1B every morning. Then Iyabọ is the one that cleans the office. The office of the teachers. And they say in their school they have nzu odee, which is chalk. They have chalk. They have mkpịsị odee. They have pen or pencil. They have blackboard. they have ruler, and they have ndakala, which is ruler. They have textbooks. That's what they have there. Okay, let's look at the questions. Questions, comprehension questions there. Okay, number one, it says, kedu aha onye nkuzi na-akụzi asụsụ Igbo? Number one is Amadi, B. Amina, C. Emeka, D. Okoye, E. Uche. They ask who is the teacher that teaches them Igbo language. Kedu, who? Kedu aha, what is the name? Means what is the name of the teacher that teaches them Igbo language? Which the answer there is Amadi, Mazi Amadi, which is Amadi. Okay, so number two question there said, họpụta onye bụ onye isi ụmụ akwụkwọ. Onye bụ onye isi ụmụ akwụkwọ. They say, point out the head of the student. That is the prefect, as people call it in your school, some of your schools. You call it prefect. Now, A. Amadi, B. Amina, C. Emeka, D. Okoye, E. Uche. So the answer to that one is what? Emeka, because look at that article or that comparison. They say Emeka bụ onye isi ụmụ akwụkwọ. So is Emeka. Alright. Then number 3, olee onye na-akụ mgbịrịmgba mgbe ọbụla? Who is the person that rings the bell all the time? Then, okay, number 3. A, we have Amadi. B, we have Amina. C, we have Emeka. D, we have Okoye. E, we have Uche. We have Uche under E. Now look at where look at where it's being. They say, look at that comprehension. They say Emeka bụ onye isi ụmụ akwụkwọ. Okay, look at where they, okay, elekọta ụmụ akwụkwọ niile anya. Uche bụ onye na-akụ mgbịrịmgba. Look at Uche. So the answer is what? Uche, which is yeah, number 3 answer is Uche, which is E, letter E. The person that rings the bell is Uche. Number 4, so you can see there. Ụmụ akwụkwọ ole ka Emeka na-elekọta anya? A. How many students do Emeka takes care of, or is their leader? A, we have iri. B, we have iri na ise. C, we have iri abụọ. D, we have iri atọ. E, we have niile. The answer is niile, which means all of them. All of them, no exception. All of them. Okay? Then number 5, kedu mgbe a na-akụ mgbịrịmgba? When do they used to ring the bell? That is the question there. A, abali. Abali means night. B, ehihie. Ehihie means afternoon. C, mgbe ọbụla, all the time. D, mgbede, in the evening. E, ụtụtụ, ụtụtụ means in the morning. Now let's look at when the Uche bụ onye na-akụ mgbịrịmgba mgbe ọbụla. So the answer to number 5 is E. Answer to number 5 is C, which is mgbe ọbụla, all the time. Check that notification. Okay. Then let's look. Okay. Number 6. Question number 6. Onye na-aza class 1B. Who is the one that sweeps 1B class? We have A, Amadi, B, Amina, C, Emeka, D, Iyabo, E, Okoye. Now let's look at that comprehension. They say, okay. Amina na aza class 1B. The answer to number 6 is Amina, which is B. Answer number 6 is B, which is Amina. She's the one that sweep the classroom. All right. Okay. We will look at now question number 7. It says, Onye na-ehicha office Mazi Okoye? Who is the one that cleans the Mazi Okoye's office? A, we have Amadi. B, we have Amina. C, we have Emeka. D, we have Iyabo. E, we have Okoye. The answer is Iyabo. Iyabo. The answer to number 7 is Iyabo, which is D. D there. Okay, which is D. We look at question number 8. Họpụta aha onyeisi ụlọ akwụkwọ ebe a. A, Amina. B, Emeka. C, Iyabo. D, Okoye. E, Uche. The answer is Okoye. So you can see in that place, Okoye is the head of the school. Mazi Okoye. Onyeisi ụlọ akwụkwọ bụ Mazi Okoye. That is the end of the first paragraph. Onyeisi ụlọ akwụkwọ bụ Mazi Okoye. Then number 9, onyeisi ụlọ akwụkwọ means the head of the school or the principal of the school. Number 9, site na ederede a, kedu nke anọghị n'ụlọ akwụkwọ anyị? In this write-up, in this comprehension, point out the thing that is not in the school as they mentioned there. A, mgbo ọcha. B, mgbo ojii. C, mkpịsị odee. D, ndo akara. E, nzu odee. The answer is A, which is mgbo ọcha, is not there. The number 10, họpụta aha mkpịsị odee na bekee. Point out the name mkpịsị odee, what it means. Mkpịsị odee, what it means in English. That name, what you record mkpịsị odee, what does it mean in English? That's what I want you to point out there. A is book. C is chalk. No. A is book. B is chalk. C is cleaner. D is pencil. E is ruler. The answer is D, which is pencil. Alright, so thank you very much for this class. We'll look at, okay. We'll look at this. This one is, I don't know how. Okay, let's see how we're able to. Okay, we'll look at, okay, in our next class we'll continue from where we stop. We'll look at mkparịta ụka, which is discussion, discussion or form of drama. Yes. Thank you very much, and please subscribe to this channel to see other educational videos. If you have any question, do well to comment section. Ask your question in that comment section. Thank you very much.